This begins with a smiling Skylar Baker. Skylar, a very happy 5th birthday to you, my friend. She is in Pittsburgh.
All right, Abel Jackson turning 6 years old this year. Abel's celebrating in Pittsburgh as well.
In Erie, Arlo Mattox hopping along, celebrating the big number 6. Have a good one, Arlo, and be safe.
All right, love the trampoline shot there. And we've got Adalynn Brunner, who's now 8 years old. Happy birthday, Adalynn, in Lockwood, Missouri.
Double digits for one Max Morris, who pushes up to be 10 years old today. Max celebrating in Frontenac.
In Franklin, turning 10 this year, Jaxen Schaub. Happy birthday. Check that one out there, Michael.
I'm hungry now. Job, Jackson. Josephine Stewart celebrating a 12th birthday. What a pretty picture right there. Happy birthday, Josephine and Galena.
All right. Sydney Moore turning 14 years old this year. Had a great picture there of Sydney in Crestline.
Run out to Carthage because that's where Kiley Buck is celebrating her 15th birthday. Have a great day, Kiley.
All right. Kayla Clark turning sweet 16 this year. Happy birthday to Kayla in Parsons.
That's impressive cake right there, Kayla. My goodness.
Fit for a queen.
That is good. Dawson Merando celebrating the big number 21. Dawson, have a great day in Frontenac.
All right. And Samantha Kroenke turning 23 years old this year. Samantha celebrating in Girard.
Jeff Volz is 33 years old. Now, Jeff is celebrating it in Manhattan, but originally from our neck of the woods in Galesburg. Happy birthday, Jeff, from Mom, Glenn, Allison, and Granny.
All right. Well, happy birthday from the grandkids going out to Jim Vinze, who's now 64 years old in Girard. Vinze.
Happy birthday, Jim. Long time no see, my man. Chris Johnson, a happy birthday in Columbus.
And Shawn and Teresa Winner are celebrating their 25th anniversary. Congratulations to the winners. I love that picture. Throwback wedding pic there.
We've got a 35th anniversary in Crestline. John and Kenna Hutto. Congratulations, John and Kenna.
All right, Karl and Nancy Thornton are celebrating their 47th anniversary. Pretty picture in front of the falls there for the Thorntons in Thayer, Kansas.
And 49 years ago, Joe and Beverly Kliesen tied the knot. Congratulations to Joe and Beverly.
All right. And we've got a 67th birthday wish going out to Heather Shearberger in Columbus. Happy birthday, Heather. And a happy anniversary to the Rebels, Mike and Julie, celebrating 30 years of wedded bliss in Iola.
Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all on this first day of June. That's where you can send them into birthdays@KOAMTV.com, or if you prefer to use the internet, KOAMNewsNow.com/birthdays. Now over to Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.